So I'm all the way here in Saudi Arabia, Medina, and I'm about to visit this farm. We can see a water fountain right here. Right here. Wow. Very impressive place. Water fountain after water fountain. Wow. This is beautiful.
Mandi.
Wow. This is Mandi.
That shake know I like the Mandi.
That's Mandi. So you already know I'm here in Medina, walking. You already know about to meet the Sheikh and some brothers. We're gonna go to eat food, dinner. So we are here waiting. About to go to the farm soon. So we entering the farm. Wow. Something unique about this farm is the floor. The floor. All green, right? Wow. And we can see some shop stores here. Something that you can see directly soon after you enter to this farm is the tents, right? The stores are in form of tents, like camping tents. It's beautiful. Wow. So we are walking inside. We can see a water fountain right here. Right here. Wow. Lights and everything. Awesome. That's what I love. You already know. So we can see the color here. We can see some green. The water fountain is portraying. We can see a pink color, pink, green, LED lights. This is just too beautiful. Wow. Water fountain after water fountains. Another one over there. So you can see some of the palm trees here portraying. Now, very impressive place. Wow, this is beautiful. Outstanding. You already know. The design of this farm is amazing. We can see now two pots there. They posted two pots, right? And these are water fountains. They designed it as a pot. Wow. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. Wow. It's just the sound. That sound, wow. It's amazing. The chairs here, families can come and just enjoy a nice time. Now we are reaching our location. You already know. Wow, this is beautiful. Wow. This is just amazing. I love grabbing scents. I don't know, something about it. So I just got here. Beautiful farm. Companions. This fire. We got this here. And that makes the whole difference. You're gonna be eating some nice dinner. This is gonna make our day. I'm telling you, this is going to make our day. I'm definitely. So I just got some Moroccan tea here. The Moroccan tea is mainly green tea with some leaf of mint.
The small space is there.
Food also arrived.
More space is there.
Wow.
More space here.
This wasn't even on.
It wasn't
Now let's try this tea now. Moroccan tea. Wow. Because I love tea. So now we're gonna go and try farm food. The food just got here.
Oh, that's
Mandi.
that Mandi.
Wow, this is Mandi.
The shake knew I like the Mandi.
That's lamb.
Mandi.
What we have in
There's
here,
some vibe in there.
this is called Mandi.
Set your legs out.
Mandi.
That Mandi Laham. It's Mandi is the way they cook it.
Mandi Laham. So this is just the way they cook it, mainly rice and lamb.
Mandi.
Wow.
That's here for you guys. You love the veggie shake. You love the veggie.
come on, bro.
Yeah, should I bring you a plate or you come in?
Yemenis do it the best.
So you guys can see we are eating with a hand.
Yeah, we're eating with a hand too. Put some there for you. Eat, let's keep it. Cat knew the food was coming.
There's some of them they said don't worry because the girls that don't worry, you're gonna give the rest.
Wow.
Scientific fact.
Fact.
There are enzymes underneath our fingernails, and they are activated by our saliva. The same enzymes that we buy at the pharmacy to digest our food is up under here. Yes.
But that's how you become a
And so if you think about the sunnah, we clip our nails, we wash our hands, and the Prophet some said before we lick our fingers. Before you wash your hands, you lick your fingers. And there are enzymes activated by the saliva. Can't get better. And the beauty of the iman of the Sahaba, they just obeyed. See, we're masakin over here. We need some scientific, we need a reason.
The food was too good, and as you guys already saw here in Saudi, it's part of a culture, even though it doesn't have to be, because people also eat with spoon, right? But eating with the hand is the sunnah, is the word of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين
Ameen. It was definitely a good experience coming here to Al-Radadi farm. The light, the way things look here, the LED, the fountain, it was definitely a good experience to come here to Al-Radadi farm. This place architecture is something unique. Do not forget to subscribe and hit it. Thank you for watching.
MashaAllah.
Wow. MashaAllah.
MashaAllah.
MashaAllah. Wow.
MashaAllah. Okay, it's beautiful, so it's an easy hand. Okay, it's beautiful, so it's an easy hand.